Hello, good afternoon. Myself, Professor Ichapurak from Department of Botany, Ranchi Women's College, Ranchi. Today, I want to tell about the protocols of cytological methods with the help of PowerPoint presentation and a clipping. Now, we will discuss about the methods of slide preparation for cytological studies. First of all, for preparation of slide to study plant mitosis with the help of materials like onion, garlic, lens, visia, pea, etc. Then we will also discuss how to prepare cytological slides to study mitosis in charophytes like Cara, Nigella, Tulipella, and about preparation of cytological slides to study plant meiosis with the help of buds of onion, Rio discolor, Ixora, etc. Now for plant mitosis, to study plant mitosis, for preparation of slides, there are various steps like selection of material, root tip cutting, pre-treatment of root tips, fixation of root tips, storage of root tips, temporary slide preparation, tapping, squashing and sealing, making the slide permanent, and lastly observation under microscope and taking pics of interesting stages. Now about selection of material. As we know that mitosis occurs in all meristematic cells, so can be worked out from root tips, shoot tips, leaf tips, etc. Among these, root tips are the most actively growing parts and are devoid of pigments, so can be used to study mitosis. For the demonstration of different stages of mitosis, root tips of Allium cepa are most ideal material. Root tips can be obtained easily from bulbs of onion or garlic as whole, or in case of garlic, cloves can be separated from germinating seeds like lens culinaris, Vicia fava, pea, gram, odium, onion, groundnut, etc. Now methods of growing onion or garlic root tips from bulbs. Old roots from bulbs of onion or garlic are cut and removed by sharp knife. Bulbs are placed inverted on wide mouth bottle or specimen tube or ice tray having water, or on a plate having wet sand. They can be left for 1 or 2 days or sometimes longer, 6 to 8 days, depends upon the environmental conditions, and if temperature is high, can be covered by poly bag to keep moist. We can see white colored root tips emerge out in bunches in 2 to 4 days. Now in this slide you can see bunches of root tips on onion bulbs. Here also, here, and in the next slide also you will be able to see these are the root tips emerging out from onion bulb. These are the root tips emerging out from cloves of garlic. Now methods of growing root tips from seeds of Lens culinaris or Vicia fava. For this, fresh and healthy seeds are taken. The seeds are washed and soaked in water for 1 day, and then seeds are spread under a layer of soil or in petri plates with filter papers or cotton or sand in plate, or seeds are tied up in wet cloths. Seeds are kept moist. Generally, seeds germinate in 3 to 4 days. In Lens culinaris, the root tips come out on the third day itself. Now, about the cutting of root tips and pre-treatment. When root tips are about half to 1 centimeter long, they are cut with sharp blade or scissor. Cut root tips are then subjected to pre-treatment. For it, cut and washed root tips are kept in saturated solution of para-dichlorobenzene. This is saturated solution of para-dichlorobenzene, which is a treating agent, for half an hour, sometimes for 1 hour or 2 hours. Pre-treatment softens the tissue and clears cytoplasm and helps in better staining of chromosomes. Para-dichlorobenzene is a white crystalline organic substance sparingly soluble in water. Besides para-dichlorobenzene, there are several other pre-treating agents like hydroxyquinoline or oxyquinoline, colchicine, bromonaphthalene, cycloheximide, chloral hydrate, coumarin, etc. Now, after that, root tips are fixed. After pre-treatment, root tips are fixed in any of the fixative agent. The fixative agents are as follows: Carnoys 1 fixative, which has 1:3 acetic acid and alcohol with few drops of ferric chloride and is known as acetoalcohol. It is generally used for root tip mitosis and meiosis. Carnoys 2 fixative is 4:3:1 absolute alcohol, chloroform and acetic acid. Ethyl alcohol, formaldehyde, acetic acid, chromic acid, potassium dichromate, mercuric chloride, etc. can also be used as fixatives. Root tips after pre-treatment are transferred to fixative for about 24 hours. Now the fixed root tips must be transferred into a preservative for storage. The fixed root tips can be stored for future use in preservative. 70% ethyl alcohol acts as good preservative and can be prepared by the formula S1V1 is equal to S2V2, where S is the strength, V is the volume, and can be prepared from absolute alcohol as well as 90% alcohol by mixing distilled water. Now comes the step of staining. As chromosomes are colorless, so stain to make visible under microscope. Different kind of staining reagents can be used, as for example acetocarmine and acetoauracine, Fuelgen stain, Tolidine blue, which is available, prepared solution 0.5%. Prepared solution is available in 100 ml and 500 ml packs. In our laboratory, generally acetocarmine or acetoauracine are used to stain root tips. Meiotic slide preparation, Antheridia of charophytes, algal materials like Rhizoclonium, Oedogonium, Cladophora, Chaetophorales, and other material as Pteridophyte and Gymnosperms. Now, how to prepare acetocarmine or acetoauracine? Generally, it is 1 to 2%, 1%, 1.5%, or 2%. For this, 1 to 2 grams of carmine or orosine powder is dissolved in 100 cc of 45% glacial acetic acid in conical flask. The mixture is then placed on tripod stand with wire gauze heated for about 15 minutes with the help of burner. While heating, the mixture is continuously stirred and then cooled at room temperature. Filtered and stored in dark colored bottle. The preparation is confirmed by the blotting paper test. You can see this is the blotting paper test. By its spreading and color, one can confirm that it has been prepared by its deep violet color. For staining, root tips are taken out of preservative and are placed in a watch glass. Acetocarmine or acetoorosine solution is added. A few drops of NaCl may be added, which helps in dissolving middle lamella, and cells are separated easily. The material is gently heated over a spirit lamp for about 5 to 15 minutes with breaks, or oven at 60 degrees Celsius or hot plate. For good staining, red hot needle can be inserted into acetocarmine or acetoorosine solution while heating over spirit lamp. By heating, root tips become ready for preparing cytological slides. Now, for preparing temporary cytological slide by squash method, following are the requirements. As you can see, watch glass, spirit lamp, slide, cover slip, needle, blotting paper, brush, tapper, scissor, blade, Cutex, 45% in acetic acid in dropping bottle, acetocarmine solution. Now, first of all, we take root tip. In the center of clean slide, few drops of 45% acetic acid is added. On it, a stained root tip is placed. You can see it in this photograph. If root tip is long, it is made short by cutting with razor blade in the second diagram. For good separation, less material should be taken. This portion is discarded. Now, after the material has been placed on slide with few drops of acetic acid, 45% acetic acid, on it a clean cover slip is placed with the help of needle. Care should be taken that bubbles are not introduced while adding the cover slip. The slide with material is slightly heated over a spirit lamp. The heated slide is kept in filter paper folds. The slide is then gently pressed with needle tip or gently tapped with flat tapper to spread the material. Tapper must have flat surface, maybe glass rod, brush, etc. The spread material appears as spray painting. Now, observation of slide under microscope. The slide for observation is placed on stays of compound binocular or trinocular microscope below the objective lens. Different stages of division are located under microscope. First, at low power magnification, attempts are made to see whether cells of root tips are separated, and in metaphase plate, chromosomes are separated or not. If not, few drops of 45% acetic acid from sides of cover slip are added, again gently heated over a sprit lamp and tapped. again observed under microscope to locate stages of mitotic division. During observing under microscope, care should be taken that slide does not rise up. For this, 45% acetic acid is regularly added from the sides of cover slip. This also helps in removing excess stain taken by the cytoplasm and enhances visibility of chromosomes, develops contrast. Now, squashing and temporary sealing of slide. After proper separation has been done, the slide is placed in filter paper folds on plain table surface. The slide is pressed or squashed by right hand's thumb to bring the material and chromosomes in one plane. Again, 45% acetic acid from sides of cover glass is added, left for 2 minutes. The slide is sealed by applying Cutex or melted wax on sides of cover glass with the help of brush. This temporary slide can be observed for 2 to 3 days or even a week under microscope for making diagrams, taking photographs or karyotyping purpose. These slides can be kept in refrigerator for long. Now, making the slide permanent. Wax or Cutex sealed slides cannot be kept for many days due to precipitation of stain. It is therefore essential to make the slide permanent by dehydrating solvents and finally mounting in Yuperol or DPX. For this, 3 staining troughs are required for temporary slide to permanent slide. The steps are as follows. There are 2 alternative methods. Cutex or wax is removed with the help of blade. Slide is dipped in first staining trough containing 45% acetic acid or by second method 70% alcohol. When cover slip separates from the slide, the cover slip and slide both are transferred separately by forceps into second staining trough containing 45% acetic acid and butanol in 1:1 ratio or 90% alcohol in the second method. Then finally in 1 minute both slide and cover slip are transferred to third staining trough containing butanol or absolute ethyl alcohol. Slide and cover slip with the help of forceps are carefully taken out of the trough, placed on the filter paper. The slide is mounted with Yuperol or DPX using a new cover slip, and the cover slip having cytological material is also mounted using fresh slide with Yuperol or DPX. So from one temporary slide, 2 permanent slides are formed. These are the staining troughs used. Now precautions, as both slide and cover slip contain stained cytological material, care should be taken to remember the slide on the side on which material is present while transferring them from first staining trough to second staining trough. Slide and cover slip should also be dipped for 1 minute because if left for longer time the material may be washed out. Microphotographs of well separated metaphase plates and different stages of mitosis can be taken by Nikon digital camera and trinocular microscope with the help of adapter or trinocular microscope with LED or monitor attachment. You see here the microscope This is a trinocular microscope with the light fitting on it, and this is again a trinocular microscope having a adapter, and on the top of adapter a digital camera has been fixed. Now this is how the photographs can be taken. On the screen of the camera you can locate the stages and take the photographs. These are some of the photographs taken by Nikon digital camera and 3D filaments of Cara showing prophase of mitosis. Now the observation can be made on low power of microscope or high power of microscope. Now this is advanced type of microscope trinocular having LED attachment or monitor attachment, and the photographs can be taken directly from the monitor attachment and can be shown to the students and can be rotated in all sides so many students can see the slide at a time. These are some of the stages of mitosis in Ileum cepa. These are again metaphase plates. Now, let us come to the second part, that is method of cytological slide preparation of Cara and Nigella and other charophytes. Almost same as onion root tip mitosis. For cytological studies, antheridia or globules are selected and stages of mitosis are observed in antheridial filaments. Mostly show synchronous stages. The iron alum acetocarmine squash technique as proposed by Godward 1948 is employed for cytological preparations by using pre-treatment with para-dichlorobenzene, fixation in 1:3 acetoalcohol, preservation in 70% ethyl alcohol, and staining with 1.5% acetocarmine solution. The steps of onion and charophytes are almost the same. Now differs only in selection of material, time of fixation, staining and preparation of slide. Rest protocol is same. After pre-treatment, material is transferred to fixative. As fixative, Carnoys 1 is used, which is mixture of 1 part of glacial acetic acid and 3 parts of absolute ethyl alcohol with few drops of ferric chloride. The materials can be fixed at the site of collection as well as in the laboratory from cultures. The material is left in fixative for 24 hours. Time of fixation is from 9 a.m. to 11:30 a.m. and may be extended to 12:30 p.m. For staining antheridia, the apical portion of Cara and Nigella containing nucleole and globule are heated in 1.5% acetocarmine in watch glass or white test tube for about half an hour. Some stained reproductive branchlets are transferred to 45% acetic acid. After that, 3 to 4 antheridia are selected under dissecting microscope with the help of sharp and pointed needle inserted into antheridia are picked up and placed in the middle of a clean slide with few drops of 45% acetic acid, and then cover slip is gently added. After that, slide is gently warmed and then kept in folds of filter paper. With the help of tapper, the slide is tapped gently so that cells get separated and can be observed for stages of mitotic division. During tapping, excess stain of cytoplasm is removed by adding 45% acetic acid from the side of cover slip respectively. Rest of the process are same as that of onion root tip mitosis. Now this slide shows how dissecting microscope helps in picking up the antheridia with the help of needles and then placing the antheridia on the slides for cytological preparations. Now these are some of the stages of Cara corallina interphase. This is prophase where the nucleus have become larger. Interphase, the nuclear membrane is intact and nucleus is smaller. Then anaphase, the chromosomes have been separated in two groups, start separating in two groups. This is telophase, daughter nuclei are being formed. Then these this slide shows metaphase plates of Cara corallina. This is the different stages of Cara fibrosa, and this is the metaphase in 4 to 5 cells in the antheridial filament of Cara fibrosa. Now, let us come to the third part, that is method of cytological slide preparation to study plant meiosis with the help of onion buds or Rio discolor buds for selection of material. In higher plants, meiosis occurs in pollen mother cells which are present in anthers and also in megaspore mother cell where there is only one megaspore mother cell which lies in the ovule. Anthers contain many pollen mother cells, PMC, which can be very easily exposed by bursting anthers. So anthers are excellent source of meiotic material. Flower buds of different sizes are collected in the morning hours and are fixed in acetic alcohol 1 is to 3 or for about 24 hours. The buds are preserved in 70% alcohol. For staining, buds are dissected to procure anthers. After that, one or two anthers are placed in the center of clean slide with few drops of 1.5% acetocarmine and a cover glass is placed on the material. The slide is gently heated over a spirit lamp flame. The slide is kept between folds of blotting paper and gentle pressure is applied over the cover glass to induce uniform spreading of pollen mother cells, and to remove excess stain, tapping is not required. The cover glass edges are sealed with cutex or wax. The slides can be observed under microscope to locate different stages of meiosis 1 and 2 as prophase 1 substages leptotene, zygotene, pachytene, diplotin and dikinesis or bivalents, anaphase 1, telophase 1, metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. Chromosomal abnormalities can also be located as meiotic anaphasic bridge, translocation heterozygote in Rio discolor anthers, micronuclei formation and chromatin clumping. Microphotographs can be taken with the help of trinocular microscope having attachments as adapter and digital camera in place of eyepiece. Now these are some of the slides of meiosis. These are some of the slides. We can see meiosis 1, meiosis 2. This is translocation heterozygote in Rio discolor. Tetrads in Carica papaya meiosis 2. These are Hodium vulgare, 2n is equal to 14, 7 bivalents having the metaphase plates. These are the references. Now I have to show you a clipping, and for this I'll stop this sharing and open another one to, yes, you can see this clipping. Now here is the material for cytological slide preparation is being heated. For this we have taken root tips from the preservative, and in watch glass acetocarmine solution has been added and few root tips have been placed in acetocarmine solution and which are being heated. Now heating should be done gently, and during heating it should be kept in mind that the material should not be burned. So at the time of heating the material should be brought in the center of the watch glass, not on the sides. Now we have already heated some of the root tips and in acetocarmine solution, and that has been placed in 45% acetic acid. From that the root tip is being taken for slide preparation. You can see one of the root tip has been taken on a very clean slide with few drops of 45% acetic acid. Now root tip is very long and mitosis occurs only in the tip portion, so rest of the portion can be discarded and it will be cut with the help of blade. You see, it is cut with the help of blade and it is discarded. Only the tip portion is taken. This tip portion will with few drops of acid 45% acetic acid, and it is being covered by a cover slip with the help of needle. Now precaution is taken that during adding cover slip bubbles are not inserted, so needle is slightly removed, slowly removed. Now with the help of needle point it is pressed. Now let us see how it is being kept in filter folds. And it is pressed with the thumb of right hand. This is known as squashing. This helps in spreading. If not, the material is not spread properly, then help of tapper can be taken. Tapper must have a flat surface, and tapping is done gently. Again, few drops of 45% acetic acid has been added and the slide has been gently heated. Cover slip position has been adjusted. Now this temporary slide will be dried up if left unsealed. So for preventing dry up, it must be sealed either with the help of melted wax or with the help of Q-Tex. Let us see how it can be sealed. Now we are taking help of Q-Tex and on the sides of cover glass, Q-Tex is being applied with the help of brush. Now this is how sealing is done, and now this sealed slide can be used for 2 or 3 days. It will not dry up and can be observed under microscope to make diagrams, to take photographs, to study different stages of mitosis. Now a video clipping. Now let us come to an end, and in the next lecture I'll tell about micrometry and karyotype analysis. Let us end the meeting.